All you'll need are 5 ingredients for this simple coconut daiquiri. It's a delicious drink that uses some rum as our base liquor. And then of course we're adding coconut and a few extra flavor enhancers. This is going to be your ultimate cocktail to sip on, especially in the summer season. I love making cocktails, especially on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe for more cocktail recipe and ideas. Starting out, I'm showing you how to make a coconut daiquiri on the rocks. To a cocktail shaker, you'll add some ice along with 2 ounces of your favorite light rum. Bacardi is always a good go-to for me, but choose whatever you like. Next, we're using some freshly squeezed orange juice. This is a little bit non-traditional when it comes to daiquiris, but I love the flavor that it adds. You'll need 1 ounce of that. And then we're also going to use ½ an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. If you can, always squeeze your own lime juice. It tastes way better than the bottled version. For that coconut flavor, you'll need 1 ounce of unsweetened coconut milk. And then to sweeten up the cocktail, we're using 1 ounce of simple syrup, which you can feel free to adjust if you like your cocktails less sweet. Shake everything until it's well chilled for about 30 seconds, and then double strain into a chilled glass. For this cocktail, we're going to make a fun twisted lime garnish. So to do that, first use a peeler to shave off part of the lime peel. You want a pretty long piece because that will make your garnish more substantial, so if you can, get all the way around that lime. Next, using a sharp chef's knife, we are going to trim off all of the rough edges of the lime peel. This helps clean up the garnish and make it look really fancy and presentable. Grab a straw or some other kind of similarly shaped object and wrap the lime around the straw and hold it for about 30 to 45 seconds until the lime holds that shape. That's it. That's literally all it takes to make a really pretty garnish, and of course you can do this with other fruits depending on the cocktails that you like to make. Place that lime twist on the side of your glass and then your on the rocks daiquiri is ready to drink. Okay, moving along, I'm going to show you a frozen version of this coconut daiquiri. You'll need all the same measurements as before, but just this time, place them in a high-powered blender, along with 2 cups of ice. Blend on high until a slushy consistency forms, and then pour it into your chilled glass and top with another lime twist. This recipe, along with tips and tricks, will be linked in the description below. I can't wait for you to try this one.